So here we have grade 10, end of coverage, multiple choice question. So look at these questions from 13 to 21, MCQ 1. You can solve these questions by using calculator, but if you want to do by steps, so look at the question number 13. So let log 64 at the base 2 is equal to x. So now we have to change this into exponential power. This is the base, and the value this had represent the power exponent is equal to 64. Change 64 in the power of 2, so it will become 2 power 6. So base is same, so x is equal to 6, so its answer is 6. How we change into power? Just use the tree diagram. Divide by 2, 32. Divide by 2, 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why 2 power 6. You can use the calculator, but still you should know the steps. Look at the 14th now. 14th is, let us suppose this is equal to x. So what are you going to do? So we are going to do 100 is the base, x, and is equal to 100,000. So change this into power of 10. So 100 means 10 power 2x, and it will be 10 power, how many zeros? 5 zeros, 10 power 5. So base is same, power will be equal. So 2x is equal to 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 2.5. So this is our answer. This is the value of x, which is 2.5. Same way you can do other questions also. If you want, there's one question also of decimal, you can do that one also. So look at that one also. Question number 18. So look at the question number 18. Question number 18, it is in decimal. Same way, let us suppose this equal to x, and 10 power x is equal to 0.00. How many zeros we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So how we can write it? We can write it 1 into how many zeros? 4 and 5 numbers. After decimal, 5 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 power 5 in the denominator. How we are going to change it? So it will become 10 power x, and change the power, swap it, power will become negative. So base is same now, so powers will be equal, so x is minus 5. So this is your question number 18. So this is how we do the first multiple choice question. Question 2, multiple choice question. So look at here, this is from the lesson 6.2. So we have to just need to give the example of product and quotient. So firstly, I'm giving the product and quotient. So let us suppose I'm saying that log of xy over z and base b. So how we are going to do that? So here I'm going to apply the property of quotient first. So firstly, I will apply the property of quotient. You know that how we are going to write. So log xy minus log z. Base is b. Base is b, because I am applying which property here? Log a over b. Log a over b is so firstly I will try the properties here. So what is log a over b? So first property is log a over b is log a plus log b, and base can be anything. Maybe base is given here x, base can be anything. So whenever sorry, it's minus log a minus log b, and if it is a product, then we separate them by plus. Log a plus log b. And the third property, this is the first, then second, and third is the power rule. Log a power b, so power will come in the front. So this is b log a. Base can be anything here. So I'm applying here. So this is my a, log a over b. This is my a and this is my b. First property, log a over b is log a minus b. Now here I will apply the property log a into b. Second property, multiply is separated by plus, log x, log y, and log z as it is. Log z as it is, and base is given b everywhere. So this is how we expand product and quotient, because a part they are saying product and quotient. So this is the a part. So remember, this is log a over b. So division is separated by minus, product we use plus, and power rule is there. Now look at the b part. They are saying product and powers. So b part is simple. Take log product of two numbers, let us use m and n. Its power is 2, its power is 3. So firstly product is there. So firstly this is a and this is b. Log a into b is log a plus log b. I am using the second property here. Now use the power rule, the last property. Power will come in the front. So this is 2 log m plus 3 log n. That's it. So this is the properties how we are using all these three properties. C, they are saying product, quotient, and power. So product, quotient means divide. So I'm dividing Z here. So product, let us suppose C is, I will take product. Let us suppose product. And quotient I'm writing here Z. And here is Y, and power I'm taking here is 2. And here I'm taking the power 3. So firstly, so this is product as well as quotient, and power is also there. So log, firstly I will apply log a over b. The first property I will apply log a, log numerator minus log denominator, because first property I'm applying. I'm not writing the base can be anything here, just like this base. If you want to write base, it's your choice. If you don't want to write, it's your choice. So now here we will use the product rule, a into b, the second one, log a plus log v, and here's the power will come in front, which will become 3 log z as it is, and here's the next step, you can write 3 here. So what will become 3 log x plus log y minus 3 log z. So this is how we are going to do these three questions. 58 A, B, C. So you can pause the video, because I'm going to delete this now, because I'm going to the next question. You can pause the video to see the steps. Still multiple choice question, other part. This is the 58th question in lesson 6.2. And the other part is, let me discuss the other part. Let me delete this. Other part is question number 59 here. This is question number 59. They are saying find the exact value of this. So let log a square at the base root a, let us suppose this is equal to x. Now base is root a, and this represent power, exponent is equal to a square. So now square root means power half, 1 over 2, and outside is x, is equal to a square. Now you can multiply half and x, half x is equal to a power 2. So now base is same, base is a, so power will be equal, so powers are equal. So 1 over 2x is equal to 2, multiply 2 both side, what you're getting, 2 and 2 cancel out, so x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. X means we have taken this value as x, so its value is 4. So this is your MCQ 2 completed. Still multiple choice question number 2 is going on. So 60 and 61 is left. There is one more question that you can answer by your side. So this is easy. So here you can see 24. 24, 2 into 12 is also 24, so this is correct. Then 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is also 24 because we can write it as a log 8 into 3 because 8 into 3 is 24. And the multiplication is separated by addition. This one is also correct because 4 times 6 is 24. But this is wrong. This option is wrong because 20 multiplied 4 is 80, not 24. So they are using here the product rule. So this is wrong. So this is your answer. They are saying that which expression is different, does not belong. So this expression does not belong because log 20 plus log 4 plus means we multiply. This will become log 80, not 24. 20 into 4, 80. Base is given B, B, B. So this is a justification of this. And last question, 61. They are saying x power 3 log, it is given in the power, 3 log 2 at the base x minus log 5 at the base x. So firstly, I'm going to apply the power rule here. This is question number 61. Power rule. So power will move here. Log 2 power 3 and base is x minus log 5 base is x. Now you can use the property of quotient, division property, log a minus log b. You know that log a minus log b means log a over b because log a over b is log a minus log b and base is x. So this will become 1 because whenever you are having this type of property, remember x log x or any number is there, so this will become 1. So what is left here? 2 power 3 is 8 over 5 is your answer. So whenever the any base has x and logarithm is given x form, so this is 1, so your answer is 8 over 5. Now the question number MCQ2 is completed, but one more question is there that you can answer from your side. This question is there, you can 62 page. Explain how the properties of exponent and are related. Include the example. So we have done these example in question number 58 already. We have done this. You can see question number 58. We have done this. So this is all about question number 2. Now multiple choice question, question 3, 29 and 30. It has equal to sign. So one question out of these I'm going to solve, and one question from inequality. So it's easy. Look at the question number 29. Question number 29, 5x square minus 3 is equal to 72. In this type of question, base you cannot make same as a 5, but 72 you cannot change into same base. I think if you write this in calculator will also give the answer, but still I'm doing the steps for it. So in this question, taking log on both sides, natural log both sides. So this is 5x square minus 3 and natural log 72. ln means whenever the base is e. So now this power will come in the front. You know that power will come in the front. X cube x square minus 3 log 5 and log 72. Divide by log 5. Divide by log 5. Log 5 and log 5 cancel out. X square minus 3 is equal to log 72 divided by log 5. Next step, do plus 3 both side. Plus 3 cancel out. What is left? X square is equal to log 72 divided by log 5 plus 3, and then the value of x is square root. So this value you will write in calculator and you will get the answer, and you know that how to use the calculator. So write this value in the calculator and that will be your answer, right? So this is your question number 29, 30 and 31. I think in whatever the calculator you're using, if you put this equation in calculator, it will give you direct x value. Same way question number 30 and 31. Question number 32. Be very. So look at question number 32. Again, take log both side. Log 7 power 2n greater than and 52 4n plus 3. I didn't take log this side, so power will come in the front. So 2n log 7 greater than 4n plus 3 log 52. 2n log 7 as it is, greater than, multiply 52 inside, log 52 multiply 4n log 52 plus 3 log 52. Now you can take this value this side and bring this value this side. Because variable I will take one side, so this side is minus 3 log, sign will change, 52 greater than 4n log 52, and this is term going to the right side, it will be minus 2n log 7. Now what I will do, minus 3 log 52 as it is, greater than, take n common, you can take n common, you can take what is left, 4 log 52 minus 2 log 7. So now you can divide both sides by this value. So firstly you have to see very careful, check in calculator this value is positive or negative, because if you divide with the negative number then sign changes. Let me check in calculator that what will be this. So log 52, let me check, 52 log multiply by 4, which is coming 15.8. Let me check, log 7 multiply by 2. Yeah, this value is bigger, big minus small is positive, so divide both sides by this, 4 log 52 minus 2 log 7, same thing, divide both sides by this and this cancel out, log 52 minus 2 log 7. So whatever the answer you will get for this, also that you can calculate in calculator. That is, suppose this answer is coming, just I'm taking example, suppose its answer is coming 8, just I'm taking example, if this answer is 8, so 8 is greater than n, always write the variable on the left side, so swap them, so it will become n greater than minus 8. Just I'm saying this answer is coming 8, but this will not be answer 8, I'm sure, but just I'm telling, so whatever the answer you're getting for it, suppose this is coming minus 8, so always write the variable on the left side. Same way you can do the other questions. This is your multiple choice question 3. Question 5. These first 4 questions are same, just you need to factorize, and then you have to cancel out the terms which are same. Even you can factorize the quadratic polynomial by using the calculator. So 6, so I will simplify this. Question number 25, I will c square minus 6c minus 16. If you write this in calculator, you can do without calculator also. So what are the two factors? If you multiply, it should be 16. That is 4 into 4 is 16 and 8 into 2. So 8 and 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So minus 8 and 2. So I will take c minus 8 and 2. If you write this in calculator, then it will give you 8 and 2. So you have to change in the bracket. You have to write minus 8. In calculator, you will get 8 and minus 2. So change the sign in the bracket. And this will be factorize this one. A square minus b square formula you need to use. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. And this divide changes into multiply and swap it. C plus d you have to write up, and here c is common, you can take c common. If you take c common, it will be c minus 8, so cancel out the same terms, c minus 8 here, c minus 8 here, c plus d here, c plus d here, this is small d, C plus D cancel out. So your answer is C plus 2 is left, and C minus D is left, and C left. So this is your answer. If you multiply C inside, it's okay. If you don't want, it's okay. So all these first 4 questions you have to do this way. Factorize and swap the second term. Swap and factorize the second one also. Same way you can do this question all have same steps. Here you can write in place of 9, you can write 3 square, so it will become a square minus b square. Even you write this in calculator, y square minus 9 minus 9 is given, middle term is not given, so write 0y in the calculator. It will give you two factors, which is plus 3 minus 3. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So you can use the formula also, a square minus b square, or you can use the calculator for factorization. I told you how to use it if it is allowed. Then we have still MCQ5 has so many questions, or maybe the question is like this, as I have here question number 20, 10, 29. Still I'm doing question MCQ5. So look at this, I'm going to solve one question. 9, in place of 9 I will write 3 square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Factorize the numerator, 21, 7 into 3 minus 7. So I'll factorize x minus 7 and x plus 3. So many questions we have done how to factorize the quadratic polynomial by using calculator, by using completing square, quadratic formula, by factorization, by graphically in term 1. So 3 plus x, and so this is x minus 7, and divide. No, this is multiply given. Dot means multiply. Power is minus 1, so swap. Power will become positive. So you have to swap it. 2x square minus 15x, you have to write up. When you swap, the power will become positive, and 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is already factorized. This is already I have factorized. Now I have to factorize this. So be very, very careful how to factorize this. So 2x square I will factorize. 2x square minus 15x separate plus 7. So multiply 7 and 2, 14. So I will take minus 14x minus 1x. When you multiply, you get 14. Add and subtract, you get 15 plus 7. You can make the use of calculator, but be careful, 2 will not come in calculator. So this will be, take 2x common, x minus 7, take minus common, minus 1 common, x minus 7. So factors are x minus 7, x 2x minus 1. If you do this in the calculator, so in place of this I factorize it. In place of this I am writing x minus 7. I will tell you what you will come in the calculator. Just wait, let me write. If you write this in calculator will give you two answers. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to 1 over 2. So what, this is easy because 7, so you will write x minus 7, change the sign. What about this? This, what you will do, multiply 2 here, it will become 2x, and 1 will move to this side, it will become minus 1. So that is your second bracket. Always remember, just multiply 2, cross multiply 2x minus 1. So this is, see, 2x minus 1 is coming. This is, I'm using the factorization method. But if you do in the calculator, it is coming, if you're getting 1 over 2 in if you're getting fraction, then cross multiply 2x and minus 1. So that you will write here. That is what I want to tell you. Similarly, I will factorize the next one, this one. I need to factorize 2 3 is 6. So 6 plus 1, so it will be 2x square plus 6x plus 1x, because 6 plus 1 is 7 and 3. So 2x is common, so x plus 3. Nothing is common here, just write 1. So it's factors, so I'm deleting it. I'm writing x plus 3 common, x plus 3 common, and 2x and 1 left. 2x plus 1 left. Now you can cancel out the same terms. X plus 3 cancel out, x minus 7 cancel out. Whatever the terms left, that is your answer. If you want to multiply it, you can multiply. That depends upon the option given in the exam. What should be its answer? X plus 3, and this is 2x plus 1. That's it. If you want to multiply, you can multiply these two brackets. Same way you can multiply this. The same way we can do 21, 29. You need to swap this now this time. So this is just a factorization of quadratic polynomial. So still we have question number 5 MCQ. So many questions we have here. So look at, we'll discuss now other type of question. Let us pose question number 30 or 31. I'll discuss question number 31. 20, you can write x 2 times, y you can write 6 times. This is the easiest method I'm telling. Y is 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Z is minus 2. So change the, swap it. It is in the minus, then bring it down. Z power 2 2 times. And here is also 3 in the denominator. A is coming 2 times, 3 times, and C is 2 times. This is the easiest method if the powers are less. If powers are not small, then you have to use another method that also I will tell you. Multiply, swap it. We need to swap because power is minus 1. 9 multiply A multiply C multiply Z, and 16. X is coming 3 times, Y is coming 3 times. Now you can cancel out up and down. How many y's? 3y down, 3y up, cancel out. 2x up and 2x up and down. A is here, A is here, cancel out. C and C cancel out. Z and Z is cancel out. What is left that you need to write? 20 into 9 left, 20 multiply 9, and y left 3 times. That's it, y left 3 times, and divided by 3. A left 2 times, C left 1 time, Z left 1 time, and 16 I will write in the front. 16 multiply 3, you can write in brackets, and X is left here also. So you can cancel out now. What is left? 9 divided by 3 is 3, and you can divide them with table of 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 into 5 20. So 5 into 3 15 left up, and 4 y cube here, and a square. CZX is your answer. This is how we do if the powers are bigger. Suppose the powers are bigger. If suppose I'm giving you 20x power 100, you will not write x 100 times. You will not write x 100 times. Then use the formula. What we use when the base is same, power will be subtracted. 20 divided by 10 is 2, and x power 100 minus 50. So it will become 2x power 50. So don't write x 100 times, otherwise the whole time will go in writing x only. So these were small powers, so you can make them separate if the powers are small. If the powers are big, don't write x 100 times. Subtract the powers. When you multiply, powers will be added. When you multiply, powers will be added. When you divide, powers are subtracted. A 3 minus 2 is 1. This is how we do these questions. So this is still the part of MCQ 5. Let me see other questions of MCQ 5. So there are so many questions in MCQ 5. All these are easy, just factorize them. Look at this question. So factorize it. I'll factorize directly this. So what are the factors of this? This will be 8 4s are 32. So x minus x plus 8, x minus 4. Down, if you factorize, what you get? 2 into 5, 2 multiply 5, 10. So 10 and 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. So you can write 2x square plus 10x minus 1x minus 5. So 2x is common, x plus 5 minus 1 is common, x plus 5. So what are the factors? X plus 5, you can use the calculator to factorize, and 2x minus 1. Similarly, next one you can factorize, and up and down you can cancel out. Here is 3 is common, so what is left? 3x squared 25. Here you can factorize again, 3x squared, 3 into 4, 12. So you can take minus 12x minus 1x, use the calculator otherwise. 3x is common, x minus 4, minus 1 is common, x, it's plus or minus because this is minus 12, so this is plus. So plus 1 is common, so x plus x minus 4. So factors are x minus 4 and 3x plus 1. Last one is divide. Divide will change into multiply, and write this up. Take x common. What is left? X minus 4. Factorize it separately. 6x square minus 18x minus 60. So this will be, you can take 6 common first. So what is left? X square, x 60 is 18x, and this is 10x, 10. So now you can factorize it. Its factor will be 5 and 2, x minus 5 and plus 2. So 6x minus 5 and plus 2. So now you can cancel out the same terms. This one also you can change into formula, because 25 is 5 square. I can write 5 square, so this is a square minus b square. So simply you can write here a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. 3 is already common. So a plus b, a minus b, because 25 can be written as 5 square. Now what do you have? That is up and down, cancel out. X plus 5, x plus 5 cancel out. X minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 5. Anything else? 3x plus 1, what is left? Up. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. What is left? Up. Up is left x plus 8, x minus 4, and this x square is left. Divided by 2x minus 1 is left, 3x plus 1 is left, x plus 2 is left, and this 2 is left. So this is your answer if you want to multiply the brackets. So you can check, because it's you can multiply, but no need to multiply because it will take time consuming, so no need to multiply. So this is multiple choice question MCQ. There are so many question, girls. If you're finding out any problem in any question, please let me know. Quadratic equation you can factorize with the calculator quickly, because otherwise it will consume more time. And if you can factorize by the factorization method, that's up to you. Thank you. Multiple choice question number 6. It has so many problems also, so but I will take only few. Here firstly you need to make the denominator same. Look at the question number 20 or 20. I'm taking question number 20. Make the denominator same. 2a plus 2 and minus 3 over 2a. So make the denominator here a. Here we have a, but we don't have a, so multiply a here, multiply a here. Here we have 2, so multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here. Now a plus 2 we don't have here, so a plus 2 multiply here, a plus 2 multiply here. Now the denominator is same, so denominator is 2a, a plus 2, and this will become 4a minus multiply 3a minus 3a. This minus and plus minus, here maximum don't make mistake, this is minus and plus minus, so minus 3a minus 3 multiply 2 minus 6. So what is left? 4a minus 3a is a minus 6 divided by 2a. If you want to multiply 2a inside, your choice. This is question number 20. Similarly in question number 21, 23, 22, make the denominator same and you will get the answer. Look at the question number 24, same type. Make the denominator same, 5a. I'm solving question number 24 on the screen. 5a 24 cf power 4 plus a power a divided by 36 b c power 4 and f power 4. So firstly we have to multiply, how we can make them same, 24 and 36. So you can make the LCM of 24 and 36. So firstly find out 24 and 36 LCM. How we are going to find out? So you can multiply here 24 and 36. Start with 2 prime number, 12, 18. We are dividing here 12 now again with 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then again with 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 you cannot divide with 2. Then again 2, no, with 3. 3 divided by 3, 1, 3. Then again with 3, 1 as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24, 24 into 3, 72. So you have to make 72 here in place of 24. So I will multiply 3, multiply 3. Now it becomes 72. Here you will multiply 2, 36 into 2, 72. So multiply here 72. Then I have to make the variable same. Here we have b, we don't have b here. So I will multiply b here and b here. It has f4, it has f4, okay. It has power c power 4, it has c power 1. So I need c cube extra. So I need c cube here. So what is left? What is your denominator? Denominator is 24 into 3, 72. This is also 72. C power 4, F power 4 and B. So here is nothing. We can do this. So what is left here? 3 5s are 15. 15 ABC cube, and here is only just I multiplied 2 here, nothing else. So 2a. That's it. This is the answer of this. Further you cannot do anything. Other question you can practice from your side. If you find out any problem, discuss with me in school. Question number 7, multiple choice question. First I have discussed question number 35. Question number 35, then I will discuss this type of question which is given here. So look at question number 35. Fx is equal to minus 3 x plus 7 minus 1. So for denominator, firstly make the denominator equal to 0. So x plus 7 is equal to 0, minus 7 both side, x is minus 7. So from here this denominator tells us domain. Second thing, vertical asymptote and point of discontinuity. So if they ask what is the point of discontinuity, then you can say the point of discontinuity is x is equal to minus 7. Now here they're asking the domain. So domain is how are you going to write? Domain is all real numbers. X belongs to real numbers, and x should not be equal to 7. X should not be equal to minus 7, not equal to. This is about the domain, or simple you can write in the sentence in the exam. Domain is all real number except minus 7. Then range, this number decides range k. This is h is minus 7. This is also we called it as a h is minus 7. So this is k is minus 1. Minus 1 means shift down. So it gives us the range also. So y belongs to real number, y should not be equal to k. K is -1. This is the range. Domain and range is done. Asymptote. This is a reciprocal function. So what are the asymptote? So what one asymptote we get from the denominator, x is equal to -7. So vertical asymptote, x is equal to -7. Horizontal asymptote, y equal to -1. K gives us, h gives us horizontal asymptote, k gives us -1. That's it. They are asking so many questions are there, but they're asking same type of questions. And how we are going to draw the graph of this? Easily we can draw the graph of this. Look at here. Rough diagram I'm giving you from the information just we did. So firstly, they are saying that asymptote vertical. First, you draw the vertical asymptote. X is equal to -7. So x is equal to this. My vertical asymptote. X is equal to -7. I'm drawing it with the broken lines. So this is my x -7. Y is equal to -1 down here. Y is equal to -1 is this. So this is y is equal to -1. And this is x is equal to -7. Now because this number is basically graph should be basically graph of reciprocal function is like this, but we will not draw like this because here reflection is given. Here the number is -3. In the numerator we have -3. So reflection means, so your graph is, so your graph will be the reflection of this. So reflection of this one is this. So your answer is the green one, like this. If it is a plus, then the blue one is your graph. If it is a minus, then it's a reflection, which is a green one. So this is the graph of reciprocal function. If nothing is written here, suppose okay, I will take the one more example. So this is one type of question. Let me delete this. Let me take the first question as I've taken. You can pause the video to see the steps: horizontal asymptote, domain, range, and vertical asymptote. So I was talking about this question. Now this I discussed with you. Let me take the question just with. If the question of this type, then what we are going to do, again we find out the domain and range. So here you can write fx is equal to fx equal to 3. You can take 2 common from here, 2x minus 2, take 2 common, and plus nothing, write 0. So write the denominator equal to 0. So 2x minus 4, first step, find the 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4 both side, plus 4, so 2x is equal to 4, divided by 2, so it is 2. So domain is all real numbers except 2. So domain x belongs to real number, and x should not be equal to 2. Range k is 0 here. Y belongs to R. Y should not be equal to 0. Asymptote, this is vertical asymptote. Horizontal asymptote, k value. So y is equal to 0 is horizontal asymptote. That's it. Then we can draw the graph of this. So what is the asymptote? Asymptote are given to us. X is equal to 2. So this line is representing x is equal to 2. Other line is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is already there. X-axis is already there. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis is already there. So this number is already positive. So simply you can do, this is the graph of this. Rough diagram. If you want to make the use of table, you can make it. All the questions same in multiple choice question like this only. You can practice from your side. If you find out a difficulty, please let me know. Question number 8. This time we'll solve only 2 questions because all the questions of same kind. Look at the question number 1. 2x plus 3 over x plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. So cross multiply, you can do cross multiply. So 2 multiplied with 2x plus 3 and 3 multiplied with x plus 1. So what you will get, 2 times 2, 4x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 3. Small variable 3x minus 3x here. So this is x plus 6 is equal to 3 minus 6. So x is equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3 is your answer, because they said solve. Solve means we need to find out the value of unknown variable. Similarly, we'll do same question number 2. You could try from your side, cross multiply. Y will be multiplied here, 1 will be multiplied here. Now question number 3 I'm going to solve, and rest of the question are same. You can practice from your side. If you find out any problem, let me know. So here 9x minus 7 minus 7 over x minus 6 equal to 13. This you can factorize. This you can factorize quadratic polynomial. So this is coming minus 7 and minus 6 when you factorize it. So this will be, now we have to make the denominator same. So x minus 6 here, but x minus 6 is not there. So multiply x minus 6 here, multiply x minus 6 here. Here is x minus 7, but here we don't have x minus 7. So multiply x minus 7, x minus 7. Now what do you do? Cancel out all the denominators, because all the denominators is same. Cancel out all the denominators. So what is left? We left with multiply 9 inside. 9x minus 54 minus 7x minus 7 multiply minus 7 plus 49, and this side is 13. That's it. It's easy. 9 minus 7x, 9x minus 7x, 2x, and here minus 54 and plus 49 is minus 5 is equal to 13. Plus 5 plus 5, so 2x is equal to 18 divided by 2 divided by 2, so x is 9. So all question I've seen, same type of questions are there. Let me check if any question is different, then I'll solve. Otherwise, I'll move to the next question. So I have checked, all the questions are same, just like question number 3 and 1 and 2. So you can practice this, factorize, make the denominator same, cancel out all the denominators, and what is left in the numerator, that you need to simplify. Question number 9, it's easy. So look at the question number 25, which is given for the multiple choice question number 9. This is from lesson 7.6. So for prom, Muna wants to fold 1,000 origami cranes. Origami, this is shape, what we say origami, which we make the use of paper and we construct it, or we make it. She is asking volunteer to help and does not want. So they want to make 1,000 origamis. So we need the people for that. So let the number of people. So A part I'm solving first. So let number of people required, number of people required for this, number of people required is equal to n, and we are dividing the we are dividing the work, in 1,000 we have to make, and we are dividing in n number of people. So 1,000 divided by n. So 1,000 origami is made by n people. So the work is divided. So 1,000 is divided in number of people. And what they are saying here, no more than 15. No more than 15 mean either equal to 15 or less than 15. So you will use here less than equal to inequality. So A part they're asking, just write the inequality. Just write the inequality. B part we have to solve it. So B part we will solve it easily. 1,000 divided by n less than equal to 15. Multiply n here, multiply n here, n and n cancel out. 1,000 less than equal to 15n divided by 15 divided by 15. 15 and 15 cancel out. So if you divide 1000 with this, I think this is 66.7 less than equal to n. So n is greater than equal to, swap it, 66.7. So that means the number of people are required. 66.7 means you can round off. You can round off because people cannot be in decimals. You can write as 67. So round off this. So you can see that we need the number of people either 67 or more than that. So minimum 67 people are required to get the at least 15 cranes. So this is how we do this question. So n greater than equal to 67 is your answer. So let me see the next question. Is there any question in multiple choice question 9? Let me check. One more question is there. One more question. Let me discuss that also. So let me delete this. Look at there's one more question in multiple choice question. The Caleb manages the budget for his school junior prom. So his class has spent 1,250 for prom venue, $625 for DJ, and 1,470 for decoration. They will also serve the dinner before the dance, which costs 12 per student. So 12 per is x, where x is representing number of students. So number of students, so numbers of students is x. So 12x, 12 per student, 12x is the money for the required for the dinner, right? So this money is collected by whole class, the number of people. So the whole money is divided with x, right? If you have to collect, suppose 1000 dirhams in the class, then the whole money 1000 dirham divided with all number of students. That will be the money collected by each student. Is equal to, not is equal to, it is given that less than 20. So less than 20. That's it. We will solve this now. So we are going to add 1250, 1250. Let me check. 1250 plus 625 plus 1470. So this will be 3345 plus 12x over x less than 20. Multiply 20 this side, multiply x this side, because x in the denominator, and multiply x here. This and this cancel out. We are left with 3345 plus 12x less than 20x minus 12x minus 12x. Cancel out. 3345 less than equal to 8x divided by 8 divided by 8. So we are going to divide by 8. So this will give me, if I'll divide it, it will give me 418.125. That's it. This is your lesson. So that's it. Number of students x. X is greater than 418.125. So that means how many students will need to buy tickets. So 418, more than 418 students are required. So you round off this. Students cannot be in decimals. So x should be greater than 418. So this is your answer. So question number 9 is completed. Multiple choice question number 10, which is very easy. So change into degree to radian and radian to degree. So very easy, you know this. So you can try this. Minus 56 minus 72, change it to multiply by pi over 180, right? Then you have to just simplify. First you can divide with both the numbers. You can, this is your choice how you're going to divide it. So you can, I'll divide with 6 firstly. So simplify it, and that will be your 6 3s are 18, 600. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Then you can divide both with 4, not 4, 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 1 0. 3 1s are 3. Then 2 here and 5 here. So what is left? Minus 2 pi over 5. I know you can use the calculator for this also. So we can do like this also, 36 into 2. Directly also you can do. If directly you do, but that does not come quickly in the mind. You can divide with 36 up and 36 down. So that will be minus 2 pi by 3 in radians. So whenever pi is given, that remember that is your in radian. So this answer is in radian. Similarly, 55 and 54 multiply by your 180 and simplify. And 58 and 59, 4 pi, okay, 59. 59 is simple, 5 pi by 2. Just multiply now, reciprocal, 180 over pi. Pi and pi cancel out. So this will be, if you simplify, 180 divided by 2, 90. 90 multiply with 5, 450 degree. So this is in degree. So that's it. Then we have other questions. Length of arc, all these questions related to length of arc. Length of arc formula, you know that. Question number, suppose I'm taking 65. 65 is length of arc is equal to radius multiplied by theta. So radius is given here 3 feet. 3 multiplied by theta. Theta should be here in radian. Always remember, maybe in the exam they will give you angle in degree. If angle is degree, then you have to change to radian, because this formula is only for radians. So 3 up and 3 down cancel out. So length of r is equal to 4 pi. So you can substitute here pi. Don't substitute pi here. This is not a radian here. Pi is 3.14. Whenever you're finding out the angles, pi means 180 degree. And whenever you're finding out the length of arc, here pi is, this is in radian, this is pi radian. But here's pi simply meaning 3.14. For the length, you will use this. So this is 12.56. 12.56 is the length of arc in feet. Don't forget to write the units. Similarly, you can solve 63 and 64. So question number 10 is very, very easy. Question number 11, MCQ. This is also very easy. Just you need to find out the period here. Period means we started from 0 here, triangle, then circle, semicircle. That means after this again the repetition is there. After this repetition is there. So period is 10 here, because after 10 it is repeated. So period is 10. Similarly, if you see I started from here from 0, because this is I'm starting from 0. So this is down, then this is up. So here it is, after this it is again repeated. If you see, the green one is also repeated, repetition of the red one. So period, where it is started repeated at 6, so period is 6 here. Similarly, this one started from 0, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So after this it will repeat it again. After this it will repeat it. If I'll show you the other color, it will go like this, it will go like this, and it will go like this, and that's it. So see, both black one and red M, it's just like a M. So they have same shape. So this is your 180 pi, 90, 180, 270, 360. So what is here? 360 plus 90, or you can say that pi and 2 pi, so they are adding 2 pi 360 plus 90. So there is between 3 pi, so 3, there is a gap of 90, because 90 plus 90, 270, 270, 360, 360 plus 90. If you add it, you will get 5 pi over 2, which is 415 degree. Similarly, this up and down, then after that repetition is there, repeated. This is repeated at 2 pi, so period is 2 pi here. Here is period is 5 pi by 2 or 450, and here is period is 2 pi. So this is easy question. Question number 11. So next question is 12. Let me take the next question also on the same slide. This is also very easy. You can use the calculator for all these if calculator is allowed, but rest of the things I told you. Suppose I need to check this. Sine minus 510. Sine minus 510. So firstly, I need to see where is the reference angle for this. So for the reference angle, you can do the reference angle. So I told you how to do the reference angle 510. Negative angle is clockwise. I'll start from the x-axis positive side. So this is your negative 360. So negative 360 first round. Then this is minus 180. Minus 180. It will become 0, 4, 540. So I up to this it is a 540, but I need 510, so I have to come back how much? From 540 I need to come back 30 degree. So this angle 30 degree I am coming back, so reference angle is 30 degree. Reference angle I told you in the first quadrant, this is the reference angle. Here in the fourth quadrant, here in the second, and here in the third quadrant, this one is the third quadrant. So this is 30 degree. So you can write it as sine 30 degree. And sine 30 degree is 1 over 2, and this is third quadrant. Third quadrant sine is negative, so minus 1 over 2. So this is your 510. For the rest of the question, same way you can substitute their values. By using calculator, you can find out the values and substitute and simplify. So question number 12 is also very, very easy, because all the question you can do here, you can directly use the calculator or change into degree, then find the reference angle and solve it. So this is all about question number 11 and 12. Multiple choice question 13 and 14 has so many questions, but all the maximum of them are same type. So look at this question. Firstly, they are asking what is the amplitude. So this is spring given here. Its initial compressed spring is 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. And when you stretch it, it will go to 12. It will go to 12 centimeter. So if you see, just I'll give the example of this. So how to find out the amplitude? Amplitude is easy to find out. Suppose if I'll show you this by let me delete this. So if I'll show you y-axis and x-axis, a simple one. So here you know that I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is here and 3 is here. So what is the middle between 3 and 12? 3 plus 9. So just you have to add them. Add them. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So where will be 7? This is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is 7.5. So this is my middle line this is my middle line. So how much is the amplitude here? How much up? How much up left and how much down it is left from 3? Because I need to draw the graph from 3 to graph is not required. They said graph, yes. So this is, if I need to delete this, so I'm not interested in that. So these are my maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum. If this is about sine, if this is sine, so I'll go like this. I'll go like this if this is a sine. This is just I'm taking now. So what is the amplitude here? So from 7.5 to 12, how much is the distance? 4.5. So amplitude is 4.5. This is 4.5 because 12 minus 7.5, 0.0 here, 10 minus 5, 11 minus 7 is 4. So amplitude is so simply you can write amplitude is just what you will do, which is coming here. Firstly, find out the middle line. Middle line is add them. 12 plus 3 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So therefore amplitude is 12 minus 7.5, which is 4.5 is the amplitude. Second thing, we are talking about period now. How to find out the period? If you read the question, it's showing that she find that it takes 2 seconds to come back. So period, that means we have the period here is 2 seconds. So how are we going to find out? You know that what is the formula of period? Period is for sine and cosine is 360 divided by b. So period is given 2. So 360 divided by b. So simplify it. 360 divided by 2, which is 180. 180 means pi radian. Then you can write the function. So how we write the function? If it is a sine, then what we will write? Y is equal to a sine bx plus k. K means how much it is shifting up. So a amplitude is 4.5. B we got pi x and plus k. What is the middle line? Plus 7.5. So this is your answer. And same is the graph just you have to write here because period is coming 180. So this is 180 here. So this is 180. This will be 90. This will be 45. And this will be 135. So this is the graph also, and this is the value of the function also. Next question is same, try from your side. I'm not going to do that. Let me see if there is any question different than this, then I'm going to do that. Just a second. This is not sine, this will be a cosine. Why this will be a cosine? Why this will be a cosine? Because it is starting from 2 seconds. They said it is starting from 2 seconds, right? So it's going like this. It's starting from, basically it's starting from 2 seconds here. It is starting from here, so this will be a cosine. So you write here cosine. That's it. Rest of the values are same. So it's not sine, it is cosine. So graph should be starting somewhere from up. Look at the next question now. Let me delete this. So this is cosine. Let me take the other value. Next question. Next question 34. Next question is here. According to the end of coverage, what they are saying here, amusement park ride consists of two 16 feet arms. These are 16 feet arms. One is green and one is blue. So 16 feet, the arms rotate in opposite direction. The car has 3 feet above the ground. So this is 3 feet from above the ground. Suppose ground is here. So this distance is 3 feet from here to here. So we need to find out the amplitude. So amplitude is simple because it is going 16 feet arms each side. So 16. So that means 16 up and 16 down. So your amplitude is, so what will be your amplitude? So 16 divided by 2 because it is going 16 up. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this is the amplitude. And amplitude A will be negative here, A will be negative here, A will be minus 8 because, why? Because it is starting from the lower position, because it is here. This is the, you can consider this the origin. So it is starting from the down. Down means minus 8 down and going 8 up, right? So this is 16, length is 16 here. So you can say because it is starting from down, it is starting from down. So that's why it is negative. And if you see, so this is the, what is the amplitude? Now what we are going to find out, the period what they written, 3 feet above the ground and cycle 3 seconds to make complete rotation. Now complete rotation is 360, so 360 divided by 3 you will take here, so which is 180. So let me check 1 second. So here we have 3 seconds. So period, you can find out period is equal to 2 pi by b. This is the first part, 2 pi by b, 360 over b is 3, 2 pi over b. Simplify it, swap them. So b is equal to, cross multiply, you can say 2 pi by 3. Now I need to find out the middle line. Middle line, what should be the middle line? If I'll say the rough idea, I have to give you the rough idea then. So what will happen here? The middle line, if I will take, so 8 and 3 you need to add because it is going to 16. So midline is midline. When I will draw the graph, then you will understand that how we are getting midline. 8 plus 3, 11 is the midline. So basically starting from there, so graph will be, so period I told you. Now I'll show you the graph of this. So what is the shape? So let me delete this to draw the graph. So what shape of the graph? Let me delete this, all this, because I need the graph. So this will be the graph of this. If you see, middle line is coming 11 because it is started from 3. It is started from 3 and middle line is, it is going maximum up to this. So middle line is coming 11. So I'll draw here 11 here. This is the middle line for this. This is the middle line. And how much is the amplitude coming here? From 11 to 16. 11 to 16. Wait, let me check. So it started from 3 because this is already 3 feet above, and 3 plus 16 is 19, so it will go up to 19. It will go up to 19. That's why it is coming up to 19, because already the wheel is, this is the ground and here is the wheel is going like this, right? So this is 3 feet only, so it is starting 3 feet above, so this is 3 feet above. And 16, it is going to 16, its height is going up to which height? It is going to 16, so 19. So 19 and 3 plus 19 divided by 2 is 22, divided by 2 is 11. That's why I told you that I will explain you the midline how it is 11. So it is going up to 11. So this is the graph of this and how to write it, because it is starting from down, it is not starting from the origin. So it is 3. So this is negative. You can write a cosine because this is a cosine. It is not starting from here. If it starts from here, then it is a sine x, but it is not starting from here. So this is cosine bx plus k. So a is minus 8, because you know that cosine graph is starting from here, but it is starting from down, so negative, this is reflection, so that's why minus 8. Cosine bx, b is 2 pi by 3 x, and k is the middle line. So this is all about this question. Graph is there as well as the equation is there. Explain how the graph show the period of the ride. So this is how I'm showing the period of the ride, which is 2 pi by 3. So period is, it is started from here, but it's going up. Let me show with a different color. It is starting from here, it is going up, and it is coming down here. So here it stops. Then again it is repeated. It is repeated then. So what is the number here? What is the number here? That is the period. So period is coming here 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means, pi by 3 means 60, 60, 120 degree. So here will be 120 degree, you can say. So this is all about this question. Now 35 and 36 question easy. Write a sine function. Amplitude is given 2, so a is 2. A is given 2. And 3 complete cycle between 0 to 180. That means what is the period here? So what is the period? So period is 0 to 180, 3 cycles. So 180 divided by 3, so which is 60 degree, or you can say pi by 3. So this is the period. Now we can find out the b. P is equal to 360 over b. Period already we have 60 degree. So 60 degree is equal to 360 divided by b. So b will be equal to 360 divided by 60. So this is coming 6. So b is 6. That's it. Now we can write the graph. We can write the function. They said write the function. So y is equal to a sine bx plus middle value is not given here. So we can write it as a is 2 sine 6x because b is 6. So this is the value of this. Next one is easy. They are asking here the graph is function is given 6 sine 30 pi x plus 10 above the ground, and what is the speed of train. So how to find out the speed of the fan in rotation per minute. So a is given in this question. A is 6, amplitude is 6, and b is 30 pi. So let me find out the period. So period is equal to 360 over b. B is 30 pi. This is in degree. You can change this into degree also because this is in degree and this is in radian. So better change 360 in degree or radian. That is your choice how you're going to do this. So you can find out here, that is 2 pi over 30 pi. Let me see, 360 over b, so which is 30 pi. So pi and pi cancel out. So what we are getting, 1 over 15. 1 over 15. Period is 1 over 15. What they're asking to us? Just a second. So after this pi and pi cancel out, 2 divided by 30 is 1 over 15 per second. Now we have to change it to minutes because they said find it per minute. So 1 over 15 second. How we change second into minutes? Divided by 1 or multiply by 160, so which is 1 over 900 per minute. So remember this is your answer. So this is question number 36. Now let me move to question number 37. Now look at 37 and 38. Let me delete this. So here they are saying compare these two graphs. That is very easy. So look at here this question. Firstly, I'm discussing about y is equal to half sine x sine theta. So it is 1. B is 1. So amplitude is half. And what is the period? Period if I need to find out. And B is 1 because 1 theta. So period is 360 over B, which is 1. So period is coming 360 degree only. Now I will see other one. Y is equal to, this is half sine theta. Now this is sine theta, sine half theta. Second one, they said compare with these two. So here's amplitude is 1. And what is the period? And B is half here. So period is 360 divided by half, 2 multiply here, so 720. So what is the difference? How to compare it? Its period is half, its period is 1. Sorry, its amplitude is half, its amplitude is 1, and its period is 360 and its period is 720. So this is the difference. So don't consider half sine theta and sine half theta same thing. So this is different. Now look at question number, this is the next question 38 in this slide. What they're saying, amplitude is 3, amplitude is 3, and they are talking about right trigonometric function. You can write sine and cosine because they have not told us about this. And period is given. Period is given. We know that the period formula is 360 over b. So how we find out? uh, Amplitude is given 3, and the period is given to you, so substitute the value of period. Period is given 180, so this will be 180 is equal to 360 divided by b. Simplified, b is 2. So a we have, b we have. Now we can write the function. How we write the function? Y is equal to a sine b theta. So a is 3 sine 2 theta. That's it. They are asking this. So 38 is very easy. 37 already I told you. Let me see now what is 39. In question number 38, they are saying draw the graph, so we can draw the graph easily, very easy, not so difficult. Look at here. So what is the amplitude? 3 unit. So 1 2 3 unit up, 1 2 3 unit down, and 180 is here because period is 180. So 180 I have to divide into 4 parts. Here is 90, and here is 45, and here is 135. So how the graph is passing through? Graph will pass through like this. This is how we are going to find out this. And if they ask intercepts are 0 0, 90 0, 180 0. So this is how we are going to draw the graph of this. So very careful in this. And this is your, if they ask the maximum, this is a maximum, and this is the minimum. Multiple choice question 14. So here the question number 27. This is your MCQ 14. All these questions in this video, that will be MCQ 14. So they're asking research how the sine function can be used to model ocean waves. So just you have tried the sine function as the same behavior as that we have in the ocean waves. So as they both repeat themselves over a consistent interval of time and distance. So that's why this is just a you have to tell that why it is compared to ocean waves. Now look at the question number 27. After this is 27 now. Now the question number 28. 28 is A and B part is given, which is very easy. What are the amplitude? They are asking the amplitude and period, which is easy. So amplitude is 500 and period is B is 1 here, 1 theta. So simple, A is 500 and period is 360 over 2 pi over 1. 360 over B, which is 360. That's it. So they are asking this in 28 question, nothing else. What are the amplitude and period of function? Now look at the question number 29. Same, we can find out amplitude is 500 and period is 360 over B. B is 1 here. So 28 is very easy. Now I'm going to take the question number 29. Question number 29, you can write in this form. Y is equal to, firstly write the 60 at the, firstly write 25. A is 25 sine bx. B is pi over 60 and plus 60 because 60 is giving you the value of k. So this is your amplitude, easy. A is 25, and how to find out the period? Period is equal to 360 over B. B is given pi over 6. Pi over 6 means 30 degree. So 180 over 6, 30 degree, because your B is pi over 6. Pi over 6 means 30 degree. So you can write here 36 over 30 degree. 0 and 0 cancel out, so this is 12. So this is the period, right? And what they're asking here, period is done. What does the period represent here? That one cycle will complete. One cycle will complete after 12, right? So here, next week, what they're asking here, let me see. So period is 12. So they are saying what is the meaning of period? So that means there are 12 months, because as I read the equation here, they are saying 15 April. So this is the equation. Temperature is 0 correspond to 15th April modeled by the average high temperature in degree in Fahrenheit. So this is nothing. That means what is the meaning of 12? 12 means there are 12 months in the calendar. 12 months in 1 year, or in one calendar, or 1 year. Then they're asking what is the maximum or minimum. If I need to draw the graph of this, then how I would draw a graph of this? So it is given that, let us suppose here is graph will help you to answer all the questions to maximum minimum. Middle line is k is 60. So let us suppose middle, I'll say that it is somewhere is middle line. This is the middle line. This is 60. And how much I need to go up? 25 go up. So I will go 25 up. So 60 plus 25 is 85. So 85 will be here. And 60 minus 25 is 25 is 35 down. So we have to go like this. One cycle if I'm going to complete. This is sine. And what is the period here? Period is already we have 12 months. Here is 12. Here is 6. Here is 9. And here is 3. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. Maximum, what they're asking, what is the maximum high? Maximum is 85, and minimum temperature maximum is this. And when does it occur? It will occur after 3 months. High temperature is this. What are the coordinates of this point? 385. So that means in the third month temperature is 85 degrees Celsius. And what about this point? This is the minimum. After 9 months temperature is 35. So minimum is 35, 9 and 35. So this is the maximum and minimum. So this is question number 29. Let me see what is